Hi guys, my name is Yulia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make the gift cards in mixed media style using foil and other elements from 13 Arts collections. I have some pieces of foil from the Rosalie collection which left after my previous project, so I decided to use this material for the new cards. Also, I'm going to use paper from In Bloom collection by 13 Arts. From this collection I will also use carvings. Besides that, I'm going to use the chipboard from Wood Chic, flowers from Prima Marketing, molds, lace and other small elements.
You gotta think about these days. Get on your knees and start to pray. All you need. You gotta think about these days. Run, oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, oh.
The size of my cards will be 13 by 13 centimeters and 11 by 13 and 5 centimeters. I decided to apply the pattern through a stencil, so I mix a multi-purpose gel medium with Color Glow Umber.
And find a groove, take your time. You gotta think about these days, Run, oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, oh. Run, oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, oh.
I decided to add Color Glow Citrine to make my mixture brighter. And I decided to add some glass beads for texture and shine.
Lights for light. Can see the light. Can see tonight. Can see this light for light.
And now I put the mixture through the stencil.
Got to breathe to find a way. I'll wait you through these things away. You gotta think about these days. Get on your knees and start to pray. All you need. You gotta think about these days. Run, oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, oh. Run, oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, oh.
Now I'm making a composition by putting various elements layer by layering, like a sandwich. First, carving with flowers, then chipboard in the form of a frame, flowers, plaster figures, again carving, lace flowers, and so on. When making a composition, it's important to make all elements look harmoniously and linked to each other. It's also important to follow the general direction and style which you decided to apply in your composition.
Run, 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 oh, face to the sun, oh, you gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, 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 oh, run, 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 oh, face to the sun, oh, you gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, 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 oh, can't see the light, can't see tonight. Can't see the light for life. Can't see the light. Can't see tonight. Can't see.
I also always use some inscriptions. Of course, the card can be made without them as well, but in my opinion, the card should always contain some message. Otherwise, it looks a bit incomplete.
Get on your knees and start to pray. All you need. You gotta think about these things, about these things. Run, 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 oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, 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 oh. Run, 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 oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody.
Finally, as the last touch, I add toppings. In this case, it's art stones and sequins which I attach to the card using the gel medium.
See tonight, can't see this light for life. Can't see the light. Can't see tonight. Can't see this light for life. Climb on the roof of your mind and find a proof. Take your time. You gotta think about these days, about these days. Run, 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 oh, face to the sun, oh. You gotta give a smile to everybody. Run, 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 oh.
Hope you found some inspiration in this video. Subscribe to my channel if you are interested in watching more videos about making handmade postcards, albums, layouts and other handmade things. Thanks for watching.